I'm the manager of Group 3 Section A04, and our group members Ben, Douglas, David, and I are going to start our Project4 video. In order to see how our team works together and whether there's something that we need to improve, we're going to summarize an evaluation of our performance. We evaluated in 4 aspects: team process, individual performance, communication, and manager's performance.
Hi, I'm Ben. I'm going to be talking about process gains and process losses. Dr. Ian Crawford describes process gains as an exchange of information, load balancing, and social facilitation. He describes process losses as group maintenance, which is unavoidable, social loafing, and production blocking. An example from our group when we did a process gain was when Doug and I sat down outside of the normal group time to go over the mission statement in project number 2 in detail. I tried to avoid process losses in project number 2 by setting multiple deadlines to have research done and turned into me so I could collectively put it together and then email it back out to the team. Psychology Today, an online resources, says that teamwork involves bringing people together with different understandings of temporal aspects of tasks, like the importance of meeting a deadline. And I believe I did a good job of this in project number 2 by setting deadlines and explaining the importance of meeting them.
Okay, according to Williams, valence is the attractiveness or desirability of various rewards or outcomes. In Project 1, our manager Jordan was absent from class the day that it was due to hand in the hard copy of our paper. Apparently to Jordan, the valence of partying and sleeping in was higher than the valence of making sure the project was in and was correct. An example of when performance went above and beyond the expectations is when Jing Yu went out of her way to the Business Writing Center to make sure that her section in Project 2 was up to standards and was completely following the rubric. To help improve Jordan's performance, we should have sat down and talked, since according to Forbes, a reputable business publication, one of the best ways to motivate employees is to sit down with them and talk so that you understand where they're coming from and their point of view. We would have explained to him how much his effort impacts the group as a whole, and as well as our own grades, as well as his, increasing the valence of him working on his part of the project.
Hi, my name is David, Youngtak Liu. I'm here to talk about question 3, communication. One episode of effective communication was when we decided to making this video Project 4's video. We gathered together in PBB group meeting room and we talk about all together about question 1, 2, 3, and 4. According to Ian Crawford's lecture, we can get better to meeting output when all members present at meetings and start and end on time and debate about all the questions. Also, according to Robert Fliss, to get a success in team projects, there is a top 5 factors. First one is user involvement and executive management support and clear statement of requirements and proper planning and realistic expectation. Through those methods, we could get effective communication. And then one episode of less effective communication was the where Ben did not receive an email informing him of a scheduled group meeting and was absent because of that. According to Williams, noise is might interferes with the transmission of this intended message. So the noise in this example would be Ben working on his farm where he was no access to the internet and wouldn't receive the message.
Okay. Question 4 is evaluation of manager performance from both effective and ineffective ways. One example of effective management behavior is that in Project 2, Ben organized the process well since he set a goal clearly, went through every part of our project, and then we got a high score on Project 2. According to William, initiating structure is the degree to which a leader structures the role of followers by setting goals, giving directions, setting deadlines, and assigning tasks. And Ben has high degree of it. The ineffective example is that the manager of Project 1, Jordan, didn't send group members a clear agenda and writing of information. According to Hale, efficient leadership calls for the ability to organize and to master details, and Jordan didn't do in this way.
All in all, our group worked really well together throughout the course of the semester to complete the projects on time and with good results.